Hey guys, my name is Afzal. In this video, I want to show you how to create the wiggle text effect in your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin by bringing the video into the timeline. Press T to activate the text tool. Click anywhere on the monitor and write any text of your preference. Go to the Essential Graphics panel. Double-click the text while having it selected. You can change the font of it. You can change the color, stroke, or make it bold or regular. Once that is determined, now normally you would stretch the length to the text of the title, but in this case, just for the sake of tutorial, I'm going to stretch both of them to the same length by shortening them. Once the type of the text and the location of the text is determined on the program monitor, while having the top text layer selected, go to the effects, select for turbulent displacement. Drag and drop this effect onto the top text layer. Go to the effects control, click on the turbulent displace, and under displacement, you can change it to bulge or twist. But for the sake of this video, to show you the wiggle effect, I'll keep it to turbulent. Furthermore, under amount and size, change the value to something like 60, 20, 30 in size. Once that is complete, go down to evolution, create a keyframe by clicking the stopwatch. At the start of the video, click the playhead, press the down arrow to take it all the way to the end of the clip, and then press one arrow to the left so you get the last frame, and change the evolution to a couple of cycles over there. Once complete, let's play the video now. You can obviously change the speed of the wiggle to make it more speedy or slow it down as per the object. I set the speed as per my judgment of the speed of the river. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.